Hello, how I edit this video. Open CapCut, open new project. As you click on new projects, it will go direct to your gallery. So select from your photo or video. So choose file from your gallery, import it. Automatically it will adjust like a video after one another. Try it and check out. Let's suppose I don't like this place, so just go here, split it. It will divide into parts. Delete the one section and then check it again. Going very well. Okay, this is the process and how you will record your audio here. Press here, tap on the audio tab, and then record your voice here. It's very perfect.